It is the fair AUDJPY H4 chart. AUDJPY H4 chart. From this chart, we are seeing that 200 EMA act as a dynamic resistance. This is the another previous trend line act as a resistance area. This is the horizontal resistance. So it is a good confluence for making sell. Now you can make a sell from here, or we can wait for this level. When come here market, here we can make a sell stop with a SL here, and our next target after this trend line. Or we can make here 9200 level. It's the chart of EURUSD here. EURUSD here for H4 chart timeline. From this chart, we are getting here previous one trend line. Here is another trend line and making a downward channel. This is the 200 EMA. It's the support resistance area. Previous time I was talking that this area is a vital area for sell. Previous time I was loaded on video and talked that we are waiting for this. Now this is time for me to sell according to my previous video. Because why this? Because it's a good confluence level, one horizontal resistance area, 200 EMA. Now it is our expectation market will come here soon. So it is a good level for sell. Now you can make sell. This is the chart for pound and yen. Pound and yen H4 time frame. From this chart, we are found 200 EMA here, and now this 200 EMA act as a resistance area. It is a dynamic resistance. It's another resistance area, horizontal resistance area. If you want to make a trend line, this is also a trend line. So from this scenario, we can make a sell from here. Up to the target level 150. So just now we are waiting for few pips down. When market come here or market when come here, we can sell here.